Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Red Dead Redemption 1. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable autosave within this game. So let us begin right away. First of all, open up the Red Dead Redemption game on your device. And from the main menu, you can directly go into the settings page. Or if you have already started your gameplay, then you can simply go to this pause menu by pressing the pause button. Once the game is paused, just go ahead and click on options. And now click on gameplay. Within the gameplay section, you will find the golden guns as well as the autosave feature. If you wish to disable autosave, just click on the toggle button to set it to off. When you turn it off, you will be given a warning which lets you know that autosave has been disabled. Click on the continue button and now autosave will be disabled within your game. You can go back to your gameplay and now you will have to save your game after each progress since the autosave has already been disabled. If you wish to turn it back once again, go back into the pause menu and from the options page, once again go into gameplay and you can turn on the autosave feature once again by simply clicking on the toggle. Once you are done, you may go back to your gameplay and your settings will be saved with every progress that you make without you having to remember it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable autosave within the Red Dead Redemption 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.